In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text-to-speech using ChatGPT completely free and without any limitations. This is a fantastic tool if you're looking to convert written text into spoken words seamlessly. Let's dive right into the process, starting with a simple search. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google. This might seem like a trivial step, but Google is the gateway to finding ChatGPT, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll want to use the search bar to type in ChatGPT. This will ensure you navigate directly to the right website without any confusion. After hitting enter, you'll be presented with a list of search results. Look for the link that takes you directly to the ChatGPT website and click on it. It's essential to use the official website to ensure you're accessing the legitimate service that provides the text-to-speech feature. Once you've reached the ChatGPT webpage, now's the time to decide on the text you want to convert to speech. Think about what you'd like to hear aloud. Maybe it's a passage from a story, a motivational quote, or even your own written content. After deciding your text, go ahead and type this prompt into the designated field on the ChatGPT website. With your prompt typed out, it's time to proceed. Find the Submit button and give it a click. This action sends your text to the system, which will generate a response that can be read aloud to you shortly. Now here's where the exciting part happens. Look for the three-dotted line, often positioned somewhere around the chat window, and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options that might include things like copying the text or enhancing the view. You're specifically looking for the Read Aloud option. Select it, and you'll hear your text being spoken out loud. There you have it, a simple, free, and unlimited way to generate speech from text using ChatGPT. This tool is particularly useful for those who prefer auditory learning, need assistance composing spoken versions of their written work, or simply enjoy hearing their work read back to them. The smooth interface of ChatGPT makes it an accessible and user-friendly resource for everyone. Whether you're using this for educational purposes, content creation, or just for fun, you can now easily turn any piece of text into speech. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Feel free to explore further and personalize your prompts as you get more comfortable with the platform. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.